Good morning, everyone, and welcome to my presentation. First of all, let me thank you all for joining us here today. I am one of your presenter, and without further ado, let's start this seminar. As you can see on the screen, our topic is how technology helps agricultural sector and to our farmers. So, the Department of Agriculture seeking advanced technologies to aid the problem in poor quality of harvest and income. Agricultural technologies are created to boost crop productivity and to address chemophysical, biological, and socio-economic restrictions. So both of the government and the commercial sector have undertaken efforts in recent years to increase self-sufficiency in key food staples by introducing hybrid seeds, novel agricultural practices, and technological to the agriculture sector. The first photo represents the hybrid seed. So, hybrid seed created by natural cross breeding of varieties. It is predominant in modern agriculture and home gardenings. And it is the main contributor to the dramatic rise in agriculture output during the last half of 20th century. So for example, our plant breeder wants to make a uniform color, uniform shape, and have a longer shelf life of a tomato. The second photo is the novel farming. It is the application of current technologies for the development of new agricultural techniques. Best example for this is the hydroponic gardening. Hydroponic gardening is the growing of plant without soil. Instead of using soil to grow the crop, they replace it into water and nutrients to grow the crop. The third photo is the technology of farming or machine. Major technologies that are most commonly being utilized by farmers are harvest automation, autonomous tractors, seeding and weeding, and drones. So as you can observe, um, uh, the picture shown that agricultural technology aims of improving yields, efficiency and profitability of our farmers. Next is how important or the importance of technology in agriculture or agricultural sector. Agriculture is a very important factor in generating income and food for many people around the world. In the past few years, the sector has undergone many changes and advancement in various agricultural methods and technologies. So for example, today we use inorganic fertilizer, less pesticides are consumed, and different tractors and machinery are used. Also, sophisticated technologies such as robots, temperature and humidity sensors, aerial photos, and GPS technology. This advanced equipment, precise farming, and robotic system enable companies to be more profitable, more efficient, safer, and more environmental friendly. So, uh, it is dependent it is depending in availability of these inputs to make it necessary to use natural resources and process to improve agricultural production and reduce cost. Uh, our farmers no longer need to apply water, fertilizer, and pesticides evenly across the land, no? So, dili na sila manually mag-spray sa ilahang farm kay because naanatay technology and we applied it through technologies, and instead they can use the less amount of target very specific area, uh, or even treat different plants. Its benefits are include increased crop productivity, reduced impact on natural ecosystem, increased worker safety, decreased use of water, fertilizer, and pesticides, which in turn keeps food prices down. Uh, Less runoff of chemicals into rivers and groundwater. So through technologies, our farmers can make their work easier and faster. So So what is the use of technology in agricultural sector? Uh, so there is this company called iFarm Incorporation. Uh, they are taking serious efforts to actively participate in the country's post-harvest activities by expanding the scope of its flagship product, UMA, every step of the way. So, UMA, it means your local farm access. UMA is a mobile app. No, so it is the mobile app that serves an online agri-marketing tool for local food producers, uh, providing opportunities for farmers to reach wider markets. So, so how digital technology helps farmers? Um, Picture shown below is that uh, first is the farm machine, second is the sensor, and the third is the biotechnology. Um, One of the challenges that farmers face nowadays is the need to satisfy labor. There is all increasing cost labor, which calls for better approaches to ensure less cost in labor. So our farmer adopted the modern technologies because if manual pa ilahang gamiton, actually napay magamit gyapon og manual, but most of our big farmers adopted the modern technology machine or machine system because uh, it can make their work easier and faster, and mamaynusan sad ang ilahang labor kay kung manual lang dako kayo og gasto tungod sa pasweldo sa mga trabahante. Biotechnology reduced farm inputs implies that the farmer as well saves on the cost of farm resources. So most of our farmers now are using GMO crop products to avoid losses of their crops and the quality of because by GMO plant or product is a seed that has a good quality. Benefits of agriculture and technology. Agriculture is often high-tech. Farmers and others use science. Farmers and others use science and technology to collect data, analyze efficiency, monitor growth and quality, and more to save money and get better yields. Uh, with the available resources and inputs in the farms, the profitability of the agricultural business will be improved for the entire agricultural sector and for the benefit of farmers and evenly the consumers. So, in the place of farmers living in close proximity to the consumers of their product, however, today farm produce cultivated thousands of miles away from it is consumed, as we can transfer our product from one place to another place due to modern technology. So, due to modern technology, the delivery of crop to the market is easy na because we already have the farm machines to help our farmer to sell their products. So, by using advanced machines, it is possible to control efforts of farmers, increase workers' safety, and reduce the time input of the farmers. Due to technology, we can provide water and nutrients to plant according to their calculated requirements. So, through technology, dili na ta makapataka og apply og nutrients sa ato ang plant kay ma-make sure na da sa technology kung unsa ang mga needs sa ato ang plant. So, by adopting technology, farmer changed their sowing method from manual to mechanical. Most of our farmers today here in local areas, some are using advanced machine to their farm. Those who have a big farm, they use it to avoid losses of their product and to avoid failure. But here at our local farmer is do it manually. They do their farm manually and traditionally. In order to aim these new techniques, our farmer must understand the concept of contemporary farming and the use of technology in order to attain these objectives. Indeed, the future of agriculture is bright, and leveraging on technology will enable farmers to continue enjoying improved crop yields, thus sustaining increasing their incomes. So, in order to our farmer nga ilahang ma-adapt niyang new technology techniques and machines, kailangan nila sabtun daan, makasabot sila daan kung unsay advantage and advantages of these equipments and machines. Because using machines, there is an advantage and disadvantages. The advantage of this is your work become easier and faster. But the disadvantages of this is that the maintenance is highly pricey and uh, highly. So that's it for my presentation today, and I hope na naka-learn mo about the how technologies help our agricultural sector and to our farmers. Thank you.